As we get closer and closer to the world of cookieless, knowing that third-party cookies will be deprecated 100% by 2024, we know that we need to double down on our first-party data strategy. I often hear questions or get questions regarding things like, well, my first party data is not going to cut it. I'm not going to be able to collect enough first party data to allow me to scale my marketing and scale my audiences. And this is true to a certain degree. If you're not a huge brand like Coca-Cola or Nike, it's going to be harder to just rely on your first party data to scale and grow your brand when it comes to marketing. So here are a few tips that will allow you to kind of use data to help you to do that in the world of cookieless. First of all, I would still continue to collect first-party data, take those email addresses and phone numbers, create that mutual value exchange between yourself and your prospects, and then start to really enrich that data and build it in something like a customer data platform. Once you have that, you can start to build lookalike audiences around that data so that you're not just relying on the data itself, but actually growing it out to find more people that look like those people that are your existing customers or prospects. Secondly, I would start to look at second-party data, which is really sharing first-party data with brands that have similar audiences to yours. So not your competitors, but brands that have a synergistic product or service, and just sharing each other's first-party data with each other and really expanding and growing the audiences that way. And finally, using things like predictive metrics and machine learning, which are really just coming to the forefront now. We have GA4, which is a prime example of this. And we have products such as Peer 39, which allow us to use machine learning signals to find audiences that are really going to be high converting or a good fit for our brand based on contextual signals.